Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno8 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, obviously you have to open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome. And now let's tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. I know that right now we've got this arrow icon, but no worries, usually you will find the three dots icon. So now we have to enter the history. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. If you want to, you can remove them manually, one by one, just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if in your case this list is so wide, then I highly recommend to simply tap on Clear Browsing Data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, we've got browsing history, cookies, site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything, as you can see. We can also change the time range from last hour to last 7 days, or even all time, so let me pick this one, and simply tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, we just go back to the history, which is currently empty, and it means that we just successfully removed everything. So actually this is it. This is how to clear the browser in your OPPO Reno8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.